बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। Crucial time. Winter vacations, although, is a small gap that makes you feel relief from the burden of studies, but it would be unjust to waste all of this precious time and not to utilize it wisely. Smart students tend to make use of this time sensibly by keeping a balance between their academics and leisure. Winter vacations bring endless opportunities which, if availed, can help you get a firm grasp of the subject. It is time when, after appearing for the midterms, you are fully aware of your weaknesses and you can now easily analyze them. It is time to tie the loose ends, get your work sorted and organized, look back on your progress throughout the term, and learn from the mistakes that might act as an obstacle in your way. Here is a sample way of how you can utilize your vacations effectively. Number one, plan. Planning before time not only helps you create and set goals, but also gives you a direction of how to take everything together without an overlap. It's therefore essential to make a plan for the vacations and then act on it sincerely and honestly. Take out time. It is very important to invest at least 5 to 6 hours every day to study during vacations. It is very demanding to take out time during vacations, but it's really worth it if you spend time wisely. It will not only help you in comprehending the remaining topics in the next term very well, but will also reduce burden before mocks. Revision. Revising a topic not only strengthens the concepts but also amplifies the confidence of a student and reduces anxiety. Midterm vacation is the ideal time to revise all the topics covered, as in the final term there is much less time to revise all the topics in the syllabus collectively. Therefore, it would be very beneficial if you are able to do half the work during these vacations by revising the topics already covered. Past papers. Most of the students find time to practice before midterms very minimal, and hence these vacations are the best time for them. Therefore, it is strongly recommended to spend this precious time in practicing the past papers and getting a strong hold of each and every concept. My suggestion would be to solve past papers at least from November 16 to June 20 during this time so that you are done with a major section. Smart students. Smart students are those who plan and work wisely throughout the academic year and hence end up getting a decent grade in their CAI examinations. Therefore, if you plan to achieve high in CAIEs, it is very important to work from today and not to waste the winter vacations. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.